Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Airplane Pockets is probably one of the most essential travel accessories for any frequent flyer, offering a convenient and organized way to keep your in-flight necessities within easy reach. Imagine never having to rummage through your carry-on for your phone, headphones, or a book again. These cleverly designed pockets attach seamlessly to the seat in front of you, providing dedicated compartments for all your essentials, ensuring a more comfortable and stress-free journey from takeoff to landing. Number 5. BAGAIL 8-Set Packing Cubes, Blush Pink. Crafted from smooth and durable fabric, these packing cubes protect your clothes from wrinkles and stains. Their high-performance, water-repellent feature ensures your belongings stay safe from spills and tears during your travels. The lightweight fabric neatly stores your clothes without adding extra weight to your luggage. With a double-way zipper and mesh top, accessing your items is a breeze while keeping them fresh and easily identifiable. Effortlessly separate your clothes with these multi-sized and vibrantly colored packing cubes. They save you time by preventing misplacement and make full use of your luggage space. These organizers fit perfectly into various suitcase sizes and can even be used in carry-on bags, backpacks, or duffels. They are ideal for family trips, business travel, vacations, and outdoor adventures. Streamline your packing and enjoy easy access to your belongings. These cubes help you sort and organize efficiently, saving you time and effort for a more comfortable travel experience. What we like. These are made with a premium, water-repellent fabric that's also incredibly lightweight. If you're looking for a way to keep your clothes organized and protected without adding bulk to your luggage, these are the perfect choice. They are ideal for travelers who want to maximize space and minimize wrinkles. What people say. The fabric feels durable, the zippers work smoothly, and the mesh top makes it easy to see what's inside without digging through everything. They really help keep my suitcase organized, especially when traveling with family. Separating clothes by category or by person makes unpacking and repacking so much easier. The set includes a great variety of sizes, which makes it easy to separate clothes, undergarments, toiletries, and accessories. Everything stays organized, easy to find, and neatly compressed inside the suitcase. Number 4. Airplane Pocket Seat Storage Organizer. Tired of a messy tray table? This organizer provides a clean, protective surface for your tray, keeping your essentials tidy and within reach. It's perfect for meals, gadgets, or work, making your flight more comfortable. Featuring 4 expandable pockets, it offers ample space for all your needs. Keep your laptop, books, and accessories easily accessible. It functions as both a tray table and seatback organizer, ensuring everything stays neat. Forget about dirt or debris from previous passengers. This cover provides a protective surface and helps create extra legroom by allowing you to stow items overhead. Keep your essentials tidy and within reach throughout your journey. Made from durable polyester, it easily slides onto any tray table. It offers long-lasting cleanliness and organization for both kids and adults. Keep your gadgets easily accessible and well-organized. After your flight, simply machine wash it to be ready for your next adventure. This washable cover helps maintain a tidy surface, making it a practical essential for long flights. It's built to last for frequent travelers. With its ample storage, it holds all your travel essentials like tablets and books. It makes an ideal gift for travelers, a unique stocking stuffer, or a thoughtful surprise for anyone who loves to explore. What we like. This offers a sanitary and organized surface for your tray table, with 4 expandable pockets for all your essentials. If you want to keep your travel gadgets, meals, and work tidy and within reach, this is a must-have. It's perfect for anyone who dislikes clutter and wants a cleaner flight experience. What people say. It offers plenty of storage capacity for essentials like a phone, tablet, charger, and snacks while keeping everything well organized. The pockets make items easy to access during the flight, and the material feels durable enough to handle frequent travel. It has plenty of pockets that you can use, and with their stretchy material you can really load it up. We have had books, tablets, phones, snacks, earbuds or headphones and 16-ounce water bottles in ours with no problems. Number 3. Kenneth Cole Reaction Chelsea Laptop Tote. Introducing the Chelsea Tote from Kenneth Cole Reaction. It's designed with a stylish quilted chevron pattern, perfect for the modern professional. This tote offers ample space for your essentials. It features a dedicated compartment to keep your 15-inch laptop and tablet secure and organized. Carry it your way. It includes comfortable top handles for a classic tote feel, or attach the removable shoulder strap for hands-free convenience. Crafted for durability and style, this bag is perfect for daily commutes or business trips. It's the ideal companion for your professional life. Elevate your work style with this elegant and practical tote. It seamlessly blends fashion with the functionality you need on the go. What we like? This features a stylish quilted chevron design and comes with a removable shoulder strap for versatility. If you need a professional and spacious tote to carry your laptop and business essentials, this is the one. It's perfect for business travelers or anyone who needs a chic and functional bag. What people say. The pockets are well organized for chargers, notebooks, and small items, and the removable shoulder strap makes it easy to carry. It has a ton of pockets and spots to hold things in an orderly fashion. Spacious and organized, plenty of room to store your laptop, tablet, and other essentials, with multiple compartments for organization. Number 2. Tripped Travel Gear Tech Bag Organizer. Are you tired of digging through your bag for your chargers and accessories? Keep all your electronics and gadgets neatly organized in one place with this smart tech bag. Crafted from durable 900D polyester with weatherproof YKK zippers, it features elegant leather accents for a touch of luxury. The thoughtful design ensures everything has its place. Unlike bulky alternatives, this compact organizer is designed to fit perfectly in your luggage or backpack. It makes packing for any trip, from international flights to daily commutes, incredibly easy. It offers versatile storage with a mesh pocket for cables, divided slots for hard drives and USB sticks, and even dedicated holders for SD cards and pens. Everything you need is easily accessible. Perfect for headphones, chargers, a passport, and more, this organizer ensures your essential tech accessories are always within reach. It's the ideal companion for your next adventure or daily use. What we like? This organizer is crafted from premium 900D polyester with stylish leather accents and YKK zippers. If you're tired of digging for your chargers and cables, this is the solution to keep all your electronics neatly organized. It's perfect for frequent travelers who value both style and functionality for their gadgets. What people say. The design interior has multiple compartments and a mesh pocket, allowing for easy separation of chargers, adapters, and other essentials. The layout reduces clutter and makes my items easy to locate. The bag is well made and seems as if it will last a long time. The layout inside is well thought out, with numerous pockets to store your doodads and zippered pouches for smaller items that you don't want tumbling all over the place. Also, the zippers are somewhat water resistant. This baby comes with all the pockets you can think of, and more. There's a slot for the pen I can never find to fill out travel forms. There's elastic slots inside one of the zipper pockets, so you can slip a plug adapter or maybe earbuds in them. Some of the pockets have stretch to them, which is perfect for holding things in place. Number 1. SkyCoaster Disposable Airplane Tray Table Cover. Tired of worrying about airplane tray table cleanliness? Introducing SkyCoaster, the essential travel accessory designed for your peace of mind. It's a must-have for every journey. Crafted from the same premium, medical-grade material used in sterile surgical procedures, it offers superior protection. It's soft, fluid impervious, and ensures a hygienic surface for all your needs. Using it is simple. Just slide it over your tray table, covering both sides. You can then eat, work, or let your kids play with confidence, knowing the surface is clean. Whether you're traveling with kids, toddlers, or just yourself, this provides an instant clean surface. It's designed to make family travel easier and more hygienic. After your flight, it can even be used as a trash bag for easy cleanup. Plus, it's disposable and recyclable, offering a responsible choice for your travels. Avoid the dirtiest surfaces on the plane and travel with confidence. Our product ensures you have a clean space, no matter where you fly. What we like? These are made from premium, medical-grade material and are individually packaged for ultimate hygiene. If you prioritize a clean eating and working surface on flights and want to avoid germs, these are essential. They are perfect for families with kids or anyone who wants peace of mind on their journey. What people say. My tray area was clean. I did not worry about germs. A quick wipe with a disinfectant and one of these covers made my trip more comfortable. Easy to use, just slip it over the open tray. It's loose enough to fit without falling off. Compact, they weigh next to nothing and take up hardly any room. These came in really handy and were an ease to apply and throw away. They are waterproof, and you can still close the trays. You just needed to pull them on a bit tighter, and closing the tray was fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.